Are you exploring digital transformation solutions for your business but not sure where to get started? Thinaer can help. Our complimentary ideation session will help your team define an IoT application that promises a great ROI. Hi, I'm Cliff Tironi, Executive Vice President of Strategic Accounts at Thinaer, a digital transformation company that offers a flexible IoT solution with applications that fit any business. Enterprise IoT solutions offer incredible potential for saving time and money, but there's a lot to consider when evaluating what they offer. Machine learning, artificial intelligence, data management and security, systems integrations, process management, which technology to choose, and more. Teams can spend months investigating solutions and discussing possible applications, but get stuck in the decision-making process. Sound familiar? Our interactive workshop is designed to move your team beyond conversation and into action. It includes educational content, a guided thought exercise, a tailored, facilitated session for your team, and a follow-up plan of action. We're offering a limited number of complimentary sessions, and we'd love for your company to join us. If you'd like to schedule a session for your team, email me at cliff.tironi@thinaer.io. Our team will connect with you on next steps. Let Thinaer help you define a compelling IoT application for your business.